Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit a view only format documents on Google Spreadsheet with iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open the documents that is you struggle with. So here I already have the documents. So the document is in a view only. You can see the informations pop up after you open the application or the documents, and if those information doesn't appear, you just need to click these three small dots, and right after the title there will be a view only format or information here. So whenever the documents in a view only format, you will not gonna able to edit each cells on the documents. You'll see whenever I click the cells, there is no pencils button, mean that we can edit. We cannot edit these documents. If you want to edit this document, you just need to go click this three small dot and ask for the request to edit the access. But then if you really need to edit this document real quick, you can just do this instead. Go click this three small dot, go click this share and export, and make a copy. Then the application will copy everything, every detail of this document, and they will the application also will give you an access to edit the document. So here, whenever you click the cells, there will be like a pencil button here, and then you just need to type the informations that you want to change here. So that is the way how to edit the view only format documents on Google Spreadsheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let see you for the next tutorial.